Hello, my dear friends. This is Rajesh Mahapatra. I hope all of you are doing well and happiness. In this session, I'll be telling you about the concept of how do you select the best machine family type for creating a web server based on your customer requirement. I explained more details about in which scenario cases can you select the best machine family types based on your project requirement. I explained more details for different scenarios like the healthcare system, e-commerce website, social media website, and static website, so that you can easily understand it, and based on your project requirement you can implement it. Let's get started. As you can see here, the best machine family type for creating a web server in Google Cloud Platform will depend on your specific needs and budget. You can focus on some factor to consider when choosing a machine family types for your web server as expected traffic, type of web application and budget. Let's discuss all the factors so that you can easily understand it. First of all, I will discuss as expected traffic. If you expect a high volume of traffic to your web server, you will need a machine type with more resources that can handle the load. The C2 machines are good choice for high traffic web server as they offer high performance and consistent throughput. As you know guys, the general purpose machines are versatile and well suited for a variety of workload. This makes them a good choice for web server which can range from simple static website to complex dynamic application. Secondly, I'll discuss as the type of web application. Some web applications such as e-commerce site or social media platforms are more demanding than others. If you are running a complex web applications, you need a machine types that provides the necessary computing resources. Healthcare platform websites typically have a mix of static and dynamic contents. They needed to be able to handle the variety of workload such as patient portal, medical record system, and the billing system. General purpose machines offer a good performance for variety of workload including static and dynamic Java web application. Thirdly guys, as budget. Be mindful for your budget constraint. As a cloud engineer or as a cloud architect, you know about your customer project, then based on your project you can select a machine types in Google Cloud Platform. Different machine types come with a different pricing. Ensure your choice align with your budget. For example, you can choose C2 machine for your requirement, but C2 machines are more expensive than some other machine families types such as general purpose machines families and more. However, they offer better performance and reliability, making them a good value for the money. If you are not sure which machine family type is right for your web server, you can use the Google Cloud Pricing Calculator to compare the cost and performance of different machine types. You can also use the Compute Engine machine types recommendation feature to get the personalized recommendation for your workload. I'll give some ideas for choosing the best machine family type for your web server. Start with a smaller machine types and scale up as needed. You can always upgrade your machine types later if you need more resources. Use a load balancer to distribute traffic across the multiple web server. This will improve the performance and the reliability of your web application. Use a caching server to store frequently accessed data in memory. This can reduce the load on your web server and improve performance. Guys, let's discuss for all static web server as you know like Nginx, Apache HTTP server, light, HTTPD, CADI and more. Based on your requirement, if you want to deploy static web server on GCP, then in which machine family type selected for this. I'll guide you for this scenario in which machine family type selected for this. You can select the general purpose machine types here because the general purpose machine families are versatile and well suitable for variety of workloads. This makes them a good choice for web server which can range from simple static website to complex dynamic application. As you know, N1, N2, N2D machines offer a wide range of machine types with different CPU and memory configuration. This allows you to choose a select machine types that is right for your specific needs and budget. You know, N1, N2 and N2D machines are all scalable. You can easily add or remove the machine from your web server cluster to meet change demand. N1, N2, N2D machines are reliable and secure. They are backed by Google Global Infrastructure and Security expertise. N1 machines are good choice for budget conscious users. They are the least expensive of three machine families types, but they are still offer good performance for most web application. N2 machines are good choice for users who need a balance of performance and cost. They offer a better performance than N1 machines, but they are also more expensive. N2D machines are best choice for users who need the highest possible performance. They are most expensive of the three machine family types, but they also offer the best performance as compared to N1 and N2. Now guys, I hope so you understand. For your static web server, you can select the machine family types like N1, N2 and N2D. It is suitable for your requirement. Let's discuss for e-commerce sites and social media platform website. As you know, like Amazon, eBay, Walmart, YouTube, WhatsApp, LinkedIn and more. Based on your requirement, if you want to deploy an e-commerce sites and social media platform website in Google Cloud Platform, then in which machine family types select for e-commerce sites and social media platform website for your project requirement. I'll guide you in this scenario how do you select the best machine family types for this. As you know, the compute optimized machine family C2 is the best choice for this. E-commerce sites and the social media platform are typically demanding workload that require high performance and scalability. C2 machines are designed for these types of C2 machines are designed for these types of workload, offering high performance for core and consistent performance. Some of the benefits using C2 machines for e-commerce sites and social media platforms website. C2 machines offer consistent performance even under heavy load. This is important for e-commerce sites and social media platform website which needs to be able to handle the high volume of traffic and transactions. C2 machines are scalable, so you can easily add or remove machines from your deployment to meet the changing demand. This is important for e-commerce sites and the social media platform website which may experience spikes in traffic during the certain times of the year or during the special events. Based on your budget, you can select it, but C2 machines are more expensive than some other machine family types, but they offer the better performance and scalability. But you can use the Google Cloud pricing calculator to compare the cost and performance of the different machine types so that you can easily compare it and understand it, and based on your project requirement you can select it and you can suggest your customer to select for these machine types based on their requirement. let's discuss a healthcare platform website. As you know, like the electronic health record system, telepath platform, Epic, patient portal and more. Based on your requirement, like you can deploy a healthcare platform on Google Cloud platform. Then if you want to, based on your project requirement, if you want to deploy a healthcare platform website in Google Cloud platform, I'll guide you in this scenario how do you select the best machine family types for this. The best machine family types to select for a healthcare platform website in GCP is the general purpose machine family N1, N2 or N2D. Healthcare platform website typically have a mix of static and dynamic content, and they need to be able to handle the variety of workloads such as patient portal, medical record system, billing system, and general purpose machines are good choice for these types of workload because they offer a good balance of performance, cost and versatility. General purpose machines offer a good performance for variety of workload including static and dynamic web platform. Now guys, I hope so you can understand it, and based on your project requirement you can select it, and based on your project requirement or is your customer requirement you can suggest it. Thank you. Have a great day.